Magse-celebrate na tayo ng birthday natin. Doon tayo magse-celebrate. 2 tayo, 50 na tayo. Magse-celebrate tayo sa Jollibee. Alright. Tingnan natin mamaya. Alright. So, aalis na tayo. Magse-celebrate tayo ng birthday natin doon sa Jollibee. Ay, gago. Okay, may susunduin tayo. Sunduin natin. At pupunta na tayo sa party. Mayroon na akong ano. Okay, Jollibee party na.
Thank you so much. Mari na po tayo magsiupo. Alright, ayan. Please, welcome message to our guests that came to your party. What do you like to say to them?
Let's enjoy today, everybody. Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much po. And since very happy ang ating celebrant para sa kanyang birthday ngayong araw, sabay-sabay natin kantahan si Sir Soho ng isang happy birthday song all together with music. In 3, 2, 1, everybody sing!
Happy birthday to you.
Louder!
Happy birthday to
Hindi na kumanta walang manok.
Happy birthday,
sing? Happy birthday to you. Alright, this time, yung mas masaya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sabay-sabay tayo sumigaw ng happy birthday song in 3, 2, 1, and shout!
Happy birthday!
Ayun, thank you so much po. And then before we join our guest, for our first item, I need 3 Jolly Kids or guests, okay? I need 3 guests that can bring me, it starts with letter P, okay? It starts with letter P, ha? And saktong-sakto, we're using it whether it's raining or whether it's sunny. I need 3 guests that can bring me Panyo or Pamunas. Go! Panyo or Pamunas, sabi sa labawa. Sino ba dyan lapit ako sa harapan? Isa na lang lapit ako sa harapan. Sino madali sa Panyo Pamunas? Dali lapit ka sa dali na tatakbo. Hindi po iba yan, sir. Oh. Lapit sa dali sa harapan eh. Really? Alright, congratulations. You have your game prizes. Thank you so much.
Are you ready?
Okay. This time for our next item. Once again, I need 3 Jolly Kids or guests, okay? 3 Jolly Kids or guests that can bring me. Can I ask for our guests to please open their wallets? Paki-open ng ating mga wallets. Please open their wallets. And make sure that your coins are fully that your coins are complete, okay? Because all I need is 7 pesos. Go! 7 pesos. Lapit sa naman may daling 7 pesos dyan. Isang liwang piso, dalawang piso, lapit na po sa naman, lapit na po. Sino pa po dyan, lapit na po, may isa naman, isang lapit piso, lapit na po, nahihilin, hindi pa po. Nagkakalapoy lang pa talaga sila ng pariya. Grabe ka talaga sa'yo, talagang pinilang mo talaga yung pariya mo. Pero kailan ko lang, grabe ka talaga sa'yo, nagpapalit pa ka talaga dito. Isa na lang and 3. Alright, congratulations, you have your gift prizes. Thank you so much. Ayan, thank you po. Okay, this time for our next item. Okay, this time for our next item, I need 3 Jolly Kids or guests, okay? Because for our next item, I need 3 Jolly Kids that can bring me. Can I ask for our guests to pansamantala po muna isara ang inyong mga wallets and bags. Please close your wallets and bags, opo. For the meantime, yes. Because all I need is a white hair. Go! Pulibok, natin sa kapaliwan, pulibok dyan. Dali na po, lapit na po sa kapaliwan na pulibok. Talaga nagpulibok na tayo sa pulibok. Dali na po, lapit na po tayo. Dito ka na po, sir. Yan, ako isang buko. Ayan, dali mo, lapit na po kayo dito sa harapan. Nawala yung pulibok. Mali, hanap ko ulit tayo sa pulibok. Sino ba po dyan, lapit na po sa harapan. Dali mo na po. Napakadami. Sir, that's so many. Napakadami naman po niya, no? Ayan, anyways, congratulations, you have your game prizes. Thank you so much. Grabe, ibang klase ang ating mga guests, talagang palaban sila. Anyways, ayan, for our next item, this time I need a 1 Jolly Kid or guest, okay? 1 Jolly Kid or guest that can bring me. This time, I need your. I can see that all of you are wearing it. Okay, once again, I need 1 Jolly Kid or guest that can bring me a pair of white socks. Go! A pair of white socks. Sige, puting medyas po, puting medyas. Sabi sa kapatid, madala puting medyas yan. Puting medyas po, plus points kapag may amoy. Sino po madala puting medyas? Walang dala. Puting medyas wala. Itim na medyas. Sino mo lang itim na medyas? Sabi sa kapatid, itim na medyas. Pakita po namin itim na medyas. Patingin po, itim na medyas po. Itim na medyas. O ilang kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Dahil. Saya talaga sinubag mo. Wala naman ako sabi bubarin mo, sir. Ayun, anyways, congratulations, you have your game prizes. Thank you so much. Sino pa po? Sir, dito ka na, sir. Sino pa po yung isa? May isa pa po. Once again sa ating mga guests, pakibuksan po ng ating mga wallets. Pakiready na ako ng ating mga wallets. Pakiready na. Ayan, dapat nakabuksan po ang ating mga wallets, ha? Pakiready na po, ha? Dahil kailangan ko lang po na Valid ID, go! Valid ID, lapis sa naman sila. Valid ID, jowa. Sino po may dala validad dito? Labi na po tayo sa 3, 4, and... Isa lang po sa and... Ayan, labi na sa'yo, labi na po sana sa and... 5, okay na kayo ito. Ayan, okay, once again... lahat po ng mga guests, meron po kayong gift prizes. So, choose one. Sa dito po tayo. Thank you so much po. Ayan. And that's it for our Bring Me Game. Sa ating po mga guests, thank you so much po sa pagpa-participate and pakikipag-cooperate sa ating Bring Me Game. Now, for our next game, lahat ng pangalan na tatawagin ko, lapit kayo dito sa harapan. Okay? Okay, o sino yung mga nabigay ng valid ID? Lapit na kayo sa harapan. Joanne, ito po yung sa inyo. Wait ako, sir. Ipo-point out ko to ang cute nito. Sir, ito po, sir. Dito tayo, sir. Dito po kayo, ma'am. So, sisigaw na talang Mercury dito dito. Ayan, dito po tayo sa harapan. Okay, isang hilera na po tayo. One line. Ayan, one line. Okay. This time, sakto-sakto po, our celebrant is in front of you, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to greet him a happy birthday, okay? But there's a twist, okay? You're going to follow my lead, alright? Already? Sir Son Ho? And, sir? You listen to them po kasi going to greet you in a special way, okay? Alright, get ready? Mas isang linya po tayo, one line po. Already? Makinig na mabuti ha. Repeat after me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, Sir Son Ho. Maganda to kung sabay-sabay tayo eh. No? Isa pa. Maganda yan kung sabay-sabay. Already? 1, 2, 3. Hi, Sir Son Ho. Ano ba yan, sir? Ang simula na. Isa pa. Already? 1, 2, 3. Hi, Sir Son Ho. Very good. Happy birthday. Dalawang kamay ha. I-bottomless. Ang saya. Get. Ow! Isa pa. Isa pa. Ready. Sabay-sabay. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Son Ho. Happy birthday. I-bottomless. Ang saya. Get. Okay, this time. Wait lang po. This time, kayong 5 na ang gagawa nito. Okay? And tandaan ninyo, ang may pinakamababang energy, whoever has the lowest energy, matitira kayo dito sa harapan, okay? Dito kayo maiiwan kayo dito sa harapan, okay? So dapat mataas yung energy ninyo, ha? Okay, get ready. In 3, 2, 1, and go! Wait ka sabi, hindi nakasabay si Madam. Isa pa. Already? Hindi. Isa pa. Dapat sabay-sabay kayo. Already? 1, 2, 3, and go! Isa pa. From the top. Let's go. Ready? 1. Sinasabi ko sa'yo hanggang mamaya madaling araw tayo dito. Already? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Wala pa ka naman natin ang thank you so much. Grabe! May pa-prize pa! Ayan, thank you so much po. Dapat pala sumali tayo. Joke lang. Alright, this time, pause muna tayo sa ating mga game. Our food is ready to serve for our last of time. Everybody, please enjoy your meal. Waki naman dyan, Waki! Waki! And jump shot! Ay, okay. Thank you so much. Ayan. Tuwa-tuwa sa yung message sa puti Jollibee. Yun talaga yun. Yes! Alright, this time, balita namin Jollibee has wishes and gifts for our celebrant. Si Sir Son. Tama ba, Jollibee? Right. Let me ask, pero syempre before that, Sir Son ho, ay, wow, Jollibee! Nakikita mo ba ito? Ayan, pero grabe, may pa-price ka na agad. Oo, grabe, pa-klase ka talaga, Jollibee. O, sa kanya lang yan. Apo, alright, syempre, bago lahat ng yan, Jollibee, you can give him the gift. Sir Son ho, you will have your Jollibee Love. Ayan na. Thank you so much, Jollibee. Oh, nagkano ka. Ayan. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah. With the camera pa. Anyways, Jollibee, can we ask how many gifts do you have for our celebrant? 1. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do you have, man? You only have 4 fingers here. Okay, you have 4 wishes for Sir Son. Okay? So for your first wish, Jollibee wants Sir Son to be more of a strong and not going to get sick. Yes. So Jollibee nothing like Jollibee. Yeah. Thank you so much. For your second wish, Jollibee wants Sir Son to be more of a mapera at giving person. Yes, naman natin si Jollibee. Thank you so much. For your third wish, Jollibee wants Sir Son to grow up and be a loving and kind person to everyone. Thank you so much. And syempre for your last wish, Jollibee wants Sir Son to grow up and be always be happy like a best friend. Jollibee! Jollibee! Thank you so much. So all our guests, gusto niyo ba siyang makita sumala? Yes! Pero syempre before Jollibee wants to dance, gusto niya kasi yung chini-cheer siya. Kaya naman everybody say go! Jollibee go! Louder! Yung pinakamalakas! Yung pinakamahina! Alright. This time we welcome natin si Jollibee the Dance for Jollibee's B-Dance. Together with Smart Team, Ate Senti, and Kuya Jun. Let's go, Jollibee! Together with Ate Christina. Let's get Jollibee a round of applause! Sige po, then take a picture po muna. Take a picture. Sila na wala po yung selfie. Wala na camera. Once again, sabay-sabay natin kanta sa Lester Sona at Pangyon Sona ng isang happy birthday song all together with music. In 3, 2, 1, everybody sing! We also have our birthday wishes. Okay, so let's so who should we go first? Yunso or Can we ask your birthday wish first for Sir Sono? What is OG? Naka camera. Picture muna kayo. So, mamaya ko nalantakan yung cake. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Isa na lang. song. Once again, all together with music. In 3, 2, 1, everybody sing. Louder. Hindi mo man talalakman mo. One time. Once again, this time, you must masaya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Once again, sabay-sabay lang tayo sumunod ng happy birthday. In 3, 2, 1, and shout. Ay, Pagod na mga candle. 1, 2, 3. Ay, thank you so much. At syempre kayo rin po, what's your birthday wish for yourself po? Wala pong iiyak ha. Baka naman may umiyak. Sir Ali. Nakalimutan. Ay, palakpakan naman natin sa Sir Ali. Thank you so much. Next naman po si Mom Liz. Ano pong wish na?
More help po and
Ay, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga celebrants. Thank you so much po. Okay, po sa mga viewers na din po namin for our celebrants. More candles to blow and more gifts to open. Kaya naman dahil dyan, sino po kung may gusto mong pa-picture kay Jollibee? Solo picture. Who wants to take a picture together with Jollibee? Solo pictures po. Ito tayo sa harapan. One, two, three. O, sir, dito ko sabihin ka, sir, para mas maganda. One, two, three, smile. Thank you so much. Meron pa po ba? One, two, three. Wala, hindi mapicture. Ano na timer? Ayun, meron pa po. Ayun, sila ka na. Ano ba sa sige, ako na lang po ma-picture na yun. Ayun, parang family picture. Alam ko kami na. One, two, three, smile. One more, one, two, three. Thank you so much po. Next naman po natin. So, yun, sila-sir naman sa dulo. Ay, sila-sir muna. Ayan. Sige. One, two, three. Yun. O, sila-sir. One. Para mag-asawa lang. Ayan. One, two, three. Smile. Grabe, oh. Ang atake. Okay. Thank you. O, next na ka na dyan. Ayan, thank you so much. O, sino ba? O, dito lang ka naman sa kabila. Okay, sir naman daw. O,
Kasi video ko.
Jollibee! Bye!
Eh, ala!
Ay, ano nangyari? Tuwang-tuwang si Ma'am Ed sa puwet mo, Jollibee. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, ingat ka po. Thank you for dropping by. Bakit?
Back up!
Ay, makinig ka dyan, Jollibee, ha? Sinasabi ko sa'yo. O, papicture ka sa kanila. Anyway, thank you so much. Ma'am Joanne, may pang-front po, ma'am. Dito po tayo sa harapan. bago po matapos ang ating program, one last thank you message to our guests na pumunta at nakisaya sa ating birthday party for Sunanay Ma'am Yuso po.
Ako, sanay ko sa akin sa galit po. Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. You're so mabait. For everything, ma'am, we experience this kind of party, di ba, ma'am? Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hindi pa siya tapos. Jollibee, tapos ka na. Ikaw talaga. Oh, yeah. Thank you po.
Wish you all the best and sana magkajowa ka na.
Oh, grabe. Hindi pa ganon.
Ma'am, thank you. And then sa lahat, salamat na nakiparty dahil napasaya natin si Sir. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung ating pagsasama. And, at kung hindi naman invited by themselves, thank you so much. We appreciate that.
I love you too.
And then may birthday namin na si Ma'am Liz. Thank you, Ma'am, for everything. Sa kay Kuya Ali na wala kaming patience everyday. Thank you so much po and more blessing and more power to us. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Joanne. On behalf of Jollibee, we would like to thank Ma'am Joanne, Ma'am Esther, and Sir Son Hong for choosing us and allowing us to be part of this kind of celebration. Once again, I'm your party host, Kuya Jude, together with Ate Sandy, Ate Christina, and Ate IJ for choosing us. Thank you so much. Ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi, and God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Ako wala. Ay, madami pa. May I get one? Uwi ko sa bahay. Medyo, lagyan mo ito ng price. Sa loob. Lagyan mo ng price, siyempre. Para